guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to start the rebuild of my Corrado engine. So I have all the parts already laying here in the shop. So yeah guys, and Roy, he's also busy with installing his air ride system. And the purple Golf, we made the first test drive, so we are very busy with preparing all our cars for the great event, the International Car Show from Great in Belgium in about 4 or 5 weeks. So we have a lot to do. So, but first I'm going to hook up the trailer, going to pick up a car that I've built 4 or 5 years ago, sitting in the storage for a while, making it road ready. And afterwards, when I'm back, we're gonna take the engine apart and start the rebuild of the engine, guys. So yeah man, let's go! So I have the trailer already hooked up and I'm now on my way to Boxtel, it's in my hometown. I'm going to pick up a very rare car, guys. It's a Mark II Golf, Fire and Ice, but it is an original GTD. So mainly all the Fire and Ice editions are gasoline, so this is a Fire and Ice GTD. And I think around 4 years ago I swapped this car into a TDI PD engine, the ARL. And I think around 3 years ago it was put in storage, so it's now in storage for 3 years. So it's going to be a quick repair, a quick checkup to making this car ready for the road again. So yeah guys, let's pick up the car. Ja man.
Het is gewoon old school pompings. Kom kijken, kijk.
It's been a while since I've seen this car.
2022.
But if it does the job, it's good enough, right?
If I go old school, I go all in.
It has been a while since I've seen this car. Yeah man, original Fire and Ice GTD. Let's pop the hooks. Alright. Yeah man, PD power. GTD, brah. So the car is loaded on the trailer. So now we're gonna take the car back to the shop and prepare it for the road, guys. Let's go. So guys, I'm back in the shop and the Golf Fire and Ice, it's still parked on the trailer. I'm going to put it on the lift tomorrow. I have a very close schedule because I'm very busy with making all the cars ready for the great event. So David is going to help me out with changing out the 5th gear of the Fire and Ice because the 5th gear is broken. And also guys, look at this Audi TT. It's sitting now on the lift because the underside of the chassis, it's so low, it's resting on the plates from the lift. But it looks mental, man. This is also going to be awesome when it's finished. And of course, the TDI, I'm going to change into my work clothes real quick and then going to rip my engine apart. I also test fitted my new turbo. It's the 2262 ball bearing turbo from, of course, Skilla Turbo. And yeah guys, I'm so excited for this new build, man. So let's go and change into my work clothes and rip that engine apart, man. Let's go, guys. So I took the cylinder head off and checked the main block, and it's in very good condition, so I'm very happy about that. I wanted to use the Vicomer pistons, but they told me they weren't in stock, and they also didn't know when they were back in stock. So I'm going to reuse these original pistons, but I will be porting the combustion chamber or the piston ball. So the chance of melted pistons, it's a little less. So also the cylinder head. I checked the cylinder head, also in good condition. Going to take this head to car repair tomorrow to put it in a washing machine. So all the carbon will be cleaned out, because I'm going to port this cylinder head and taking out the valves. So yeah, guys. So it's enough for today. Tomorrow I'm going to bring the head to car repair and taking apart the main block. So see you guys tomorrow. Ja. Oh ja, dat zie je al meteen, ja. Die kanalen die zijn mooi schoon geworden al.
Ja, het is wel. Ik heb ook straks nog een keer spoelen als ik hem nog wel
So guys, back in the shop, and the cylinder head, it cleaned out very well. We put it in the washing machine and a lot of carbon, it's already cleaned up. So I want to clean it up some little more before I can start porting the cylinder head. But yeah guys, this is already a big difference. I'm going to use these metal cutters. They are, yeah, like you see, they are extended metal cutters. I'm going to use this for my porting work. I also have the sand rolls, Scotch Brite, this for polishing. So I have all my stuff already laying here on the table. And also this step drill. I'm going to customize this step drill to use to port the piston balls myself. Some of you guys are going to say, no, it's not the way to go and it's not balanced right. But I took my advice from Helder Performance. He also made a very nice video about it. I'm going to put the link of his video in the description of my video, where he explains how to customize a step drill and to port the piston balls yourself. And yeah guys, he also made he built a lot of fast ADE engines. They already proved themselves. So yeah man, shout out to Helder Performance. He give me some very nice advice, and he also made a very great video how to port a cylinder head yourself. So I'm going to put both links in the description of my video, and I'm sure it's going to take a while. So I'm going to start with prepping the head and then going to start with porting. So yeah guys, let's go man. So I already made some progress on one exhaust and one intake port. Now you see the big difference if you compare it with the size of the exhaust gasket compared with this one. So yeah guys, it's a good beginning. It's a lot of work, so let's go further. So guys, I'm finally finished with it. It took me almost 12 hours, but it's finally done. It looks like there is some kind of explosion on my workbench, but yeah man, I got the job done, so that's the most important thing. So now I'm going to customize the step drill to port the piston balls. So let's hope that that also will work fine, and then we can rebuild the engine. So I have here a step drill from 4 millimeters to 42, and I'm going to cut it on 36. So I'm going to draw a line where I want to cut it. So
Start it up.
So I cut the step drill in half, like you see here, and the next step will be making a little gap in this in this part of the step drill. Otherwise we are going to hit the pointy thing in the compression, in the combustion chamber. So I cleaned everything up a little, and the Golf Fire and Ice, it's on the bridge. The 5th gear, it came loose in the gearbox, so it's a quick fix. The cylinder head is now at car repair. He's going to put the valves and everything back and going to put it again in the washing machine, so all the metal parts are going to be completely out. And I'm very happy that I successfully ported the pistons. They came out very nice, guys. I used the drill press for the second time, and yeah guys, it came out very nice. So yeah, the new connecting rods from ZRP. So yeah, I'm very happy with the results that I achieved this week, and next week I'm going to rebuild the complete engine and put it back in the Corrado. So I'm going to wrap this video up, and want to thank you guys for watching my video. Feel free to subscribe, and I see you guys in the next one. Ciao!